Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Howdy. Here you will find where to solve your questions about: do I just close the seasonal damper in summer months with an Aprilaire humidifier? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about do I just close the seasonal damper in summer months with an Aprilaire humidifier? Is www.birds.cornell.edu. Specifically the page titled Frequently Asked Questions about Crows, Birds. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.aprilaire.com, especially the page Aprilaire Model 360 Humidifier, Aprilaire Air Purifiers. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.babbel.com. The web page Baby Development, Care and Information Babbel. This is the link.